Is it another section?
Yeah, it goes upstairs.
Does it?
It's like a little house.
No way, man. Oh wow, look at this. Wow. Oh mate, they are old school.
It looks like they've got kidnapped from that police film and all the toilets.
Yeah, I know what you mean.
That's where it meant to be, that police film. And this is the big police film.
No Victorian turds there anyway. Wow. Yeah, this is proper untouched. Proper ancient, man. Wow, what's that?
I think it was an old Urbex.
Yeah, you can see the old archway there down at the bottom. You can see out the roof there, but look at this, guys. Oh wow, what is this? Wow, look at this, man. Oh, mate. That is mint, man. Look at this. Wow. That is proper mint, that. Yeah, and even just getting in this would have done me, guys. Look at that, man. Look at that sink. That is ancient, and these doors. Wow. Mint. Look at that. Wow. What the hell is this? Someone was living here on site then back in the day. Look at that wallpaper, guys. I was not expecting to see this in here. Really wasn't. Wow. Yeah, so perhaps this was someone's bedroom back in the day. Who'd have thought this was in here, man? Oh wow, look at that door there, mate. Whoa. Well, there's a way, that is... I'm sure that's been blocked off, mate, and it's in an inaccessible section. Look at the wall.
We've got to find it.
Wow. Yeah, this place, guys, is gargantuan. Really is. But I think all these floors in this first section are pretty much the same, man. Sorted. Whew.
Someone's had a copper bird behind.
Look at this. Paint peel's well kicking in here, isn't it? Old school, man. Look at that. Oh, mint. This is a proper canteen, isn't it? No way, man. Wow. They were knocking out some grub in here then back in the day. Mad. Oh, there's another little room papered up and that. Mint. No way, man. Yeah, if you used to work in here, guys, give us a shout, man. Let me know what was on the menu. Look at all this machinery here. You know, most of it's probably usable, you know. Old school refrigerator there. Out in that room. Well, you can see that out to roof section here. Ha! Look at that. There's that chimney stack. Yeah, that was definitely bigger back in the day, man. There's no question about it. Mint. Yeah, I think we'll push over to this next section in a minute anyway. See what we can find over there. What's in that? You are? Why, what is it? An old lift shaft or something? Yeah, I will. Have a look in here what Reece found. Is that a drop?
Yes, so just go in.
Oh man, look at that, guys. Wow. Step ladders down. Oh, there's way underneath there, Reece. Yeah, there's way underneath it, man. Holy shit, look up there. Wow. Yeah, there's step ladders down there, mate. Yeah, there's a tunnel system. Yeah. Tunnel system. I don't fancy climbing down that though, to be honest. What do you reckon?
It's a bit sketch.
Do you want to grab my camera? I'm going to get down. Alright guys, we're in. Oh, I'll grab that for you, pal. Don't you worry about that, son. Come on, Reece. Please, God, let him break his neck. We're in. Now, this bit isn't flooded.
See how far.
Wow, look at this, guys. Proper ancient. So we are literally within the original foundations of the mill. And if you just look there, Reece, he's got his full ass crack on display. As per usual. Look at that old door, mate. Wow. Brits off on the other side though. Get the cobwebs there, guys. Give her a shout, Reece.
Yeah.
Let's have a look. No, this is it, guys, under this bit. Gutted. Yeah, that's it, man. But worth a look all the same, because you never know what you're going to find in these places. The shit we do, eh, brother? It's worth it, though. But that's it, mate. There's no down there. Yeah, it's just a dead end, man. But worth a look all the same. Look at the old door there, though, guys. It's bricked off behind it, mate. Yeah. You can see the brick. But if you look up there, guys, what the fuck did this used to be? Unreal, man.
If you look at the bricks,
Yeah.
where they're evened up.
Yeah, possibly. So now we've got to try and get back up that. See if we can get any outtake footage. You can hear the trains going by outside, man.
Easy getting out then, eh?
Nah, it's not going to be easy getting out, mate. But it's going to be damn fucking funny. Go on, son. Oh, man. I love it. Grab me cam. Let's have a mooch down here. Fucking hell, you dickhead. That's shit me load then.
Yeah,
What the fuck?
That's what I was telling me.
Wow. I thought you'd fucking blown up. Shit.
That's the way to use it. That was the camera and you checked.
Wow.
I'm glad I waited.
Look at that, man. Proper old school. Got some old files and that in here. Look at that, the old Philips tape recorder. Mint. Wow. Yeah, give us a shout if you used to work in this, guys. I'm not sure what it would have been, but on-site guide, the Institution of Electrical Engineers. Cool, man. Look Look at that. Yeah, I'm sure someone will remember this specific section. Even that chair there, eh? Spin that round and get a picture of it. Yeah, if you used to work in here, guys, give us a shout, man. Look at that old briefcase there too. I wonder what this used to be, eh? Look at that Gatehouse workshop, phone numbers on there. And if you look there, it says 28 gays. Quality. Yeah, I'm not being funny now though, but she shit me up with that fucking fire extinguisher there. Big time. But yeah, you can get you can feel, I mean, look at those old wheels up there, dragging stuff through. Like the old pulley systems and that, but look at that roof, guys. You know, we're talking 1800s, and all of this is going to be gone soon, before we know it. Pretty damn cool though, eh? Oh my lord, wow. If you look through here, look at the size of them bad boys. Wow. I wonder if they are the boilers then. You'll have to let us know, guys. Pretty damn cool though, eh? Yeah, you can see back outside there too. So, yeah, power burner, Mark 11. Yeah, let's carry on. Pretty happy with them boilers though. I think most of the people who will watch this video though will just appreciate it because they've never seen inside it, you know what I mean?
That's it. Probably half of what's in it.
I know. What's that, more of that same stuff from the first room? Yeah, pretty much the same, innit? So these would have been like just loading areas or something, wouldn't they? Sweet carriers. Oh, I think that'll be a stairwell there.
That's the one with kids.
Can hear no pigeons. Oh, there we go. No pigeons over there. If you look there, you can see there the pairs of pigeon. You can see where they're all getting in from, but got the old stairwell here. It's all pretty much the same, that. So we're going to make our way up and cross all the levels, hopefully, and that was. See right out the back there as well, guys. Look at that. Oh, there's that little lake. Let's have a look at this. Look at that, guys. Mint. Wonder if there's any fish in it. Nice little spot that for chilling out. Get the fishing pole out. Little campfire lit. Rock and roll, man. Pretty cool, that. If you look just up there. Mint. What a gaff, eh? What a gaff. Look at that, guys. Proper old school. Wonder what that was. Have to let us know if you know. Girdlestone. Oh, condensate recovery unit. Pretty cool, man. Start making our way upstairs anyway. Is it? Oh my days, look at that. Lethal. Look at that, guys. Mint. Oh, that is wonky. If you look up there, you can see right to the very top. And hopefully, we'll be able to look down on that, but I don't reckon this thing was even in use when the shop direct people were working here. And if it was, then rather you than me. Because that is lethal. Mint on. So, got got some daylight up here. Continue the journey up. Can I? Pretty cool, man. You can see out to the lake there as well. Mint.
No, that's Ted. He's got to be boy. That one me too. That's unsocial what's here.
Got another floor here.
I never said that.
Oh yeah, you can see how the lifts were blocked off, man. So that definitely weren't in use. Cause I wouldn't have been going in it. Wow. Yeah. Wow, better with daylight on the floors. Look at that, man. Start walking over there, Reece, so they can get an idea of the scale on it, mate.
Where do you want to?
Just walk across. But now you get an idea, guys, of just how big this place is. It is gargantuan. Look at this here. What is it?
It's a view upwards.
What is it?
View upwards, you can look up what you know.
Oh wow, look at that. Let's get up this. Wow, look at this, guys. That is cool, man. Yeah, that's a similar, these roofs here are on the Pagefield Mill one in Wigan. I wondered if it was built by the same dude who built that. Maybe, guys, you'll have to let me know. I've not, well, I probably would have found out for the beginning of the video, but if not, let me know who built it, guys, because that looks very similar to, yeah, that Pagefield in Wigan, man. But then again, I think all the mills from that era pretty much have the same design, don't they, you know? But you can see another of the old mills looming on the landscape there. Pretty cool, eh? And down there too. I'm buzzing off this gaff, mate. Come on, let's push on. Mint, son. I'd have ordered fire extinguishers again there, but got these little offices here, so if you know what these were, let us know, man. As you can see, all the windows have been smashed and all the metal thieves have been in, bringing it into its post-apocalyptic state. There we go. Stuart Blagg, manager cleaning department. Give us a shout, Stuart, if you clock this video, mate. Sure it'll bring back a few memories for you. What the hell is that noise? Guys, shh, 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 shh. That's above us.
It's not that windy. Is
it? Oh, look at that, man. Wow.
That's the way.
That is a pretty cool little window shot there, mate. I'm having that. Look at that door as well, mate. That is proper ancient. Mint, man.
That's so much.
I thought it was on the roof, that, mate.
I come in and I thought somebody was putting
What did you say?
Vicky won't be happy if you don't.
I know, yeah. I've already banged one in at the beginning of the video anyway, mate. So, yeah, hopefully you'll be pleased with that, eh, Vicky, mate. I've done my deed for this video. But just for you, I'll throw one in on everyone, yeah? I've got to keep the viewers pleased. Employees who use illegal drugs, substances which have not been prescribed on medical grounds will, in the absence of mitigating circumstances, be deemed to be committing an act of gross misconduct. Bit of an old school toilets here. No turds in that one though. Hallelujah. Get out, man. Yeah, they're pretty much the same every floor, but we're gonna push up to them all anyway, just in case there's, you know, like those little offices we're seeing and that. Try and show you guys as much as possible before it's gone for good, or it's been turned into unaffordable housing, which is usually the case. Look out there. Oh wow, man. Cool. But you can see after the 9-10 years it's been shut, all the peeling is beginning to start. But look at this, man. It's like it looks like a scene out of Scum, you know, because of the brickwork. It's what it reminds me of, one of those old Brit flicks. Similar type of toilets there. Exactly the same again. I guarantee there's something we've missed on another floor. But I don't think you can cover a gaff like this in its entirety, you know. I'm not getting any younger, put it that way. Jesus Christ. I'm feeling these steps, guys. Health and safety. Look at that. Wow. See right over Bolton. What's up there, guys? Is that the roof?
Yeah.
Door open down there as well. Well, looks like we're going up ladders now. Never mind the fact I'm knackered off them stairs. I've got to climb these now.
You want to fasten your back because you might not get through.
Do you not reckon?
It's bent as fuck.
Yeah, go on, bend it across, mate. Go on, leave it. I'll pass it up, man. Yeah. You got it. Watch you up for. Right, guys, as you can see, I am negotiating a ladder. Oi, oi. Oh, oh man.
You just get through there, mate.
It makes a noise when I'm not even zooming on.
Get out, man. I wonder if that's... No, it can't be, can it?
It's part of the lift. Part of the lift mechanism.
Rent a kill. God knows. But anyway, guys, we've made it up to this. Look at that, mate. Wow. Oh man, what a view. Look at that, man. Absolutely minted. I think it was worth it just for that. Look at that, guys. Absolutely unbelievable. We made it, man. And I told you we would, eh? See the old town hall over there? Literally right the way up to River Pike. And you can see all the moors over there. What a view. I'm just glad it's not a windy day. Oh man. Unbelievable. So this, guys, is the view from the top of Beehive Mill. And I'll tell you now, looking over here, it's quite easy. What a gaff. Mint. There's a bit of a water course I'm going to have to traverse here. So let's get across this. Hey, I tell you what, Reece, it's actually quite dizzying looking over the edge of there, isn't it, man? I can't believe that. Look at that, you can see another old mill. But down that direction is where the old Maltese Gate pub was we did. Get out, man. I think you gotta admit, guys, even though, you know, within the mill it was pretty plain, really, you know, with it all being emptied. I know there's a few little artifacts dotted about and that, but for this view, it's safe to say we made it. And as we look down there, it's where the old United Utilities used to be. Bygone era, man. And soon this very mill that we are stood on will also become madness. But yeah, this is the sorry state of one of Bolton's iconic landmarks of the Industrial Revolution, and soon it will be gone. And hopefully this video will be able to stand testament to what once was, eh? So nice one for watching, guys, and we'll see you in the next video. Take it easy, man. Peace. Ah, come on, Reece, do a sultry pose or something, lad. Come on, man. Pout your lips or something, mate. Jesus, you miserable bastard. You know I'm filming this, don't you, brother? Every time, son. Mint.